I had a big tax bill potentially coming up, and I was starting to try to mitigate things, but I needed some actual tax mitigation help, legal protection or asset protection, and then estate planning. CPAs typically just punch in buttons and numbers. There was no tax strategy involved.
I thought, it's probably better to get advice from an attorney who's doing this and really knows this much better than myself.
I just don't have a set playbook. I was really concerned about if we forget to file something. Like, I just was worried that we might kind of screw up operationally.
That was one of the reasons I reached out to you.
I mean, if you think about the variety of things that can happen, and the next thing you know, you get slapped with a lawsuit.
Talking with your team, we definitely got the sense that this wasn't your first rodeo.
I knew that you were an expert in it.
Everything was explained to me clearly in layman's terms that I could understand.
It was very educational. Everything was pretty much laid out.
Really, everything was learned through this company.
The information is there, and I think that's probably the thing that made me most comfortable. It was very transparent through all of your kind of videos, testimonials, all the information that you had on your website. I felt, okay, this guy has done it before. It's not your first rodeo,
You walked us through a visual. I'm a very visual guy, so I needed to see, here's the LLC and here's the asset inside the LLC. And there was no research needed.
And we decided to go with your company because you guys would still answer everything. You guys were very fast with emails when I had questions.
You just really laid out what needed to happen, what your process was, and what I'd be getting out of it. Made it all real simple.
All the interactions throughout have all been great, professional. If I send an email, ask for something, response time has been great.
Royal Legal Solutions team became my own team. They've really surpassed my expectations.
The biggest thing is peace of mind that's been provided with knowing I've got some asset protection, knowing that I've got someone else to lean on when I've got questions. Anytime we have a question, response is always within 24 hours, if not sooner, in detail, and really no stone left unturned.
Overall, I'm happy so far with everybody I've worked with.
Working with Royal Legal Solutions has allowed me to that peace of mind, number one. Number two, to really consolidate my time.
Definitely a 10.
I'd say a 10.
I would say 10.
I'd say that's a definite 10.
Oh, absolutely a 10.
10. I guess 10 because we already have referred somebody to you.
Absolutely recommend you guys to anybody I know.
Highly recommend working with Royal Legal Service.
10. I trust you. You guys are golden.